Hey guys, so in this video we're going to go through module number 4. So it's a little bit more complicated because there's 2 chapters in this week. So read chapter 6 on drawing, watch the lecture videos, which will be below, take the chapter 6 quiz by June 20th, and complete the drawing grid assignment by June 20th. And then we go into chapter 7, read chapter 7 on painting, watch the lecture videos, take the chapter 7 quiz, complete the Ed Puzzle video quiz on Winslow Homer, who is kind of a famous watercolor artist from the US. And that will be due June 20th. And then project number 1, visit an artist gallery or artist studios due this Sunday. So at the end of this module by 11:30 p.m. It's worth 15% of your grade. The module obviously is over here if you need to take over here. If you need to take a look at that, hopefully you don't. Hopefully you've already looked at it. And then under activities, assignments, you can submit the file for that, either a PDF. I have detailed instructions on what I want for that. Depending on which option you chose, I might need a different file type. So just read the instructions. So here's the PowerPoint for chapter 6, the lecture videos, the chapter quiz on drawing, and then this is the drawing grid. So you're actually supposed to download this. So you click here and then push download, and that should go into your downloads folder. If we open it up, you can see it looks like this ice cream cone. Oops, sorry, all this stuff is now popping up. So you're gonna have to print off 2 copies of these. This should fit on letter size piece of paper, like a regular computer paper from your printer. So print off 2 copies and then use that for this assignment. Just follow the directions. Here's a video that goes over the drawing grid assignment, so watch that separately from this video. So just read through here, watch the video, and then download and print 2 copies of this drawing grid to complete this assignment, and go ahead and just go into activities assignments to submit that project for a grade. I think I want 3 files for that. 1 of your drawing done in pencil, 1 of your drawing done in marker, and 1 of your paragraph answering the questions, which are listed somewhere in the above paragraph. And then chapter 7 on painting. This is a PowerPoint, 3 lecture videos, the chapter 7 painting quiz, an Ed Puzzle video quiz on Winslow Homer, the famous watercolor artist from America, and then project number 1 file upload. You can do it here. I think if you click here, you can upload your file, or you can go into, like I said, activities assignments and upload it there. So that's module 4, and we'll see you guys next week.